Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's session of On Air with Boss. Today we have Dr. Muhammad Shanzar Butt with us. Dr. Muhammad Shanzar Butt, a proud alumnus of Beacon House Educational Complex, class of 2017, is not only a dedicated dental professional at Islamabad Dental Practice, but also a rising fitness influencer. One of his videos alone has amassed over 12 million views, inspiring a wave of young people to embrace strength, discipline, and self-improvement. Whether he's performing surgical extractions or leading impactful outreach campaigns, Dr. Shanzar brings unmatched energy to both his clinic and his community. Today we dive into his history from dentistry to discipline, from viral frame to values, and explore how he continues to push boundaries in every space he steps into. Shanzar, can you please tell us about your journey at Beacon House?
So my journey at Beacon House is not confined to only one campus. Luckily, because I was traveling all over Pakistan.
Okay.
So I have been to Multan campus. I've done my class from class 3 to class 5. I was in Multan campus. Then we came back to Pindi. So I was in the Peshawar Road campus from class 6 to class 8. And then we were shifted towards Beck. And then from there I did my O-levels, and then the G15 campus, I graduated the A-levels.
So how has your experience been in all three campuses?
What I found common in all of the three campuses was the standardization, in uniformity, discipline that was maintained wherever I was. This is the only school I think कि जो है ना जिसने ये standard maintain किया हुआ है.
Sure, that's really nice. Shanzar, tell me, if you were supposed to talk about your school experience in 3 words or phrases, what would they be and why?
So, fun, formative, and unforgettable.
Okay.
Fun because of all the mischief, formative because it made me who I am and helped me look into my own self, and unforgettable because of course all the memories they pop up in my daily life all the time along with my friends.
So would you like to talk about any one of those incidences where there was mischief involved?
When I was being elected for the head boy, we were doing campaigns and we were going through classes and all of that. And उसमें मुझे याद है हम 2-3 दोस्त, एक जैन था, एक हसनैन था, if you're watching shout out, तो ये है कि हम क्लासेस में जाके उनको कहते थे हम तुम्हारे लिए ये करेंगे, वोट दो, शानदार को वोट देना है.
So did you get more votes than your opponent?
Yes, of course. I outnumbered all of my opponents and nominees. तो ये है कि I won. और उसके जो जितने बैनर्स मैंने बनवाए थे, बैजेस बनवाए थे, तो वो मेरे पास अभी भी अपने कमरे में पड़े हुए हैं.
So that's really nice. अच्छा, शानज़र, आप मुझे बताओ कि let's suppose, hypothetically speaking, if your school library had a secret floor,
okay,
what would you find on that floor and why?
तो उस वक्त के हिसाब से मैं लिंक करूँ तो it would be like एक कोजी बेड होना चाहिए वहाँ पे नैप के लिए.
Okay,
प्लस
ठीक है.
साथ सारे पास्ट पेपर के आंसर्स पड़े हो वहाँ पे, ठीक है, और साथ एक जो है ना आपका स्नैक फ्रिज हो.
How does that coincide with your whole fitness thing? Because if you have snacks in the fridge and a bed to rest on and television to watch, does that not go against everything that you stand for now?
I would say no, because at that time when I was in school, तो that was my learning and growing phase. तो वो एक different था. फिर when I matured, तो वो सारी चीज़ों को फिर I looked back और फिर उनको जो मैंने ठीक किया या मेरा passion था develop हुआ, तो वो that was the time when I was in a fun mode stage था ना, जैसे बच्चे होते हैं.
अच्छा, on that note, Shanzar, can you tell us a little about your journey into physical strength and the concept of health that you're pursuing?
So the physical strength journey started around 2015, when I was mid O levels. और मुझे जो है ना लोग कॉम्प्लीमेंट देते थे जहाँ भी मैं जाता था कि भाई मेरे घर वालों को कि यार आप इसको जो है ना लगता है खाना नहीं खिलाते, ठीक है, हमेशा. I decided to join a gym. मुझे याद है it was May June, शदीद गर्मियों का टाइम था, and back 2014-15, and I started off with 6 friends. और 6 के बाद 2 weeks के बाद I was the only one left in the gym.
Wow.
तो फिर उसके बाद जो है ना वहाँ से फिर I was getting motivated एंड आई यूज्ड टू फिल्म माई सेल्फ. मैं बनाता था वीडियोज़ अपनी, नॉट टू पोस्ट और एनीथिंग बट जस्ट टू सी माई फॉर्म कि भाई मैं कैसे परफॉर्म कर रहा हूँ, बिकॉज आई डिडंट हैव एनी पर्सनल ट्रेनर और कुछ नहीं, मैं सेल्फ टॉट. तो वो फिर वहाँ से मुझे जब अपना रिजल्ट खुद नज़र आना शुरू हुआ, व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू लुक बैक एट डे 1 डे 50, तो आई वाज अ मोटिवेशन फॉर माई सेल्फ.
माशाल्लाह.
वहाँ से फिर वो पूरी जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई एंड आई डेवलप्ड इट इनटू अ पैशन. और उसके बाद से अल्लाह का शुक्र है कि अपना जो है ना पैशन भी पूरा किया, शौक भी, और लोगों को भी उसकी तरफ गाइड किया.
Really nice. अच्छा, Shanza, are you in touch with any of your old school friends?
मेरे बहुत पुराने मुल्तान के, when I was in class 5-6, वहाँ के भी दोस्त हैं. तलहा मिर्ज़ा, if you're watching, उसके अलावा मुज़म्मिल ख़ान, एंड देन यहाँ के जो थे हसन महमूद ख़ान, अलबरकत ख़ान, ऑल ऑफ दीज, हसान ज़िया. तो ये सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं, हम आपस में हमारा इन टच भी है, हम मिलते भी हैं.
Are you in touch with any of your teachers?
Yes, of course. मेरे एक सर हैं, सर अजीम साबिर उनका नाम है, and he was my maths teacher in 8th class in the Peshawar campus, रावलपिंडी.
Okay.
तो उनके साथ मेरी अभी रिसेंटली हमने डिनर किया और बैठ के हमने सारी पुरानी यही बातें हम बीकन हाउस की डिस्कस कर रहे थे. तो वी मेट बिकॉज ऑफ बीकन हाउस, तो आवर कॉमन ग्राउंड वाज बीकन हाउस. तो ये है कि सर अजीम साबिर, इसी तरह मेरे एक और सर हैं, बायोलॉजी के सर थे A-levels के अंदर, डॉक्टर फलक नूर. तो उनसे भी मुलाकात होती रहती है. सर खुरम शहजाद, ही इज़ अ फीफा रेफरी एज वेल, इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे.
Oh, wow,
तो वो हमारे स्पोर्ट्स के टीचर थे, तो उनके साथ भी इंटरेक्शन होता है मेरा.
चलो, दैट्स रियली नाइस. अच्छा, मुझे बताओ शान सर, आपने कभी मेंटरशिप के बारे में सोचा है?
एक तो नंबर 1, जैसे मैंने अपने सर का जिक्र किया, सर खुरम शहजाद, ही वाज माय मेंटोर इन माय स्पोर्ट्स एंड फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़. उनकी वजह से आई वाज एथलेटिक चैम्पियन एज वेल अपने बीकन हाउस टाइम में. और उसके ज़रिए मेरे अंदर एक फिज़िकल और स्पोर्ट्स का जो है ना शौक डेवलप हुआ है. एंड देन आई परसूड माय पैशन फॉर कैलिस्थेनिक्स. ग्रीक वर्ड है ये, एंड कैलिस मींस ब्यूटी एंड स्थेनिक्स मींस स्ट्रेंथ. तो ब्यूटीफुल स्ट्रेंथ हो इस तरह करके. तो ये इसको मैंने परसू किया, मेरा शौक था. मैंने आई एम ऑल सेल्फ टॉट. तो एंड आई परसूड माय पैशन इन दिस के मैं एक देयर इज ओनली वन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन द वर्ल्ड, WSWCF, World Street Calisthenics Foundation, and I'm the first Pakistani to graduate as a personal trainer from that.
Okay.
So mentoring now I provide to people online as well, along with my friends. So I help them stay fit, healthy, and disciplined in their lives.
So mashallah, that's really nice. Did you have any siblings or any other family members go to Beacon House as well?
Yes, both of my siblings who are elder than me, and they're my sisters, so we all are Beaconites from day 1
okay,
to till graduation, as well as my family members, my cousins bhi kafi, they are Beaconites as well.
Wow, mashallah. All in the family basically.
All in the family.
So Shanzar, if your school life was a movie, what would the title be and why?
Zindagi na milegi dobara.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, why?
I think because we used to have a lot of fun as well. तो हमारा ग्रुप था, तो हम जैसे मुझे याद है कि हम we were just on the brink of हमारा पाँव एक बार होता था क्लास, और जैसे बेल बजेगी ब्रेक, हमने भागना है और जो है ना जो फुटबॉल खेलना है और सारा कुछ. उसके अलावा हमने सारे ट्रिप्स पे भी हम गए, डिफरेंट जहाँ भी ट्रिप जाता था, स्पोर्ट्स में भी हिस्सा लिया. तो मेरे ख्याल में कि हमने प्रॉपर फन की है उस तरीके से जो करनी चाहिए, प्लस साथ पढ़ाई भी किया. तो मतलब दोनों चीज़ें ही हैं. फिर ये,
if there is one thing from your school which you would like to be named after you, what would that be and why?
Okay, it would be the sports ground.
Okay.
Because I remembered that when I was training for the athletic championship along with my sir Khurram Shehzad, तो उस वक्त बिल्कुल दोपहर पीक 12-1 बजे मैं बस अकेला होता था कई दफ़ा, and I was running across building my stamina and practicing. तो वो बस मुझे टाइम याद आता, तो मुझे लगता है कि जरा द स्पोर्ट्स ग्राउंड है, दैट शुड बी नेम्ड आफ्टर मी.
अच्छा शानसर, इफ somehow you could travel back in time,
okay,
and you could be your school campus head for a day,
okay,
what would you do and why?
तो सबसे पहले चाहूँगा being a fitness enthusiast कि मैं एक फिजिकल बूट कैंप अरेंज करूँ अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, और मैं पर्सनली लोगों को जो है ना स्टूडेंट्स को ट्रेन करूँ. एंड उसमें एक तो ये है कि कनेक्शन बिटवीन मी एंड द स्टूडेंट्स वो भी डेवलप होगा, अदर देन द एकेडमिक कनेक्शन वी हैव. उससे बच्चों का कॉन्फिडेंस वुड बूस्ट अप एंड दे वुड वांट टू स्टडी एंड कम टू स्कूल मोर.
Mashallah, mashallah. That's a very, very thought-provoking approach. And just to let you know that, mashallah, there are a lot of campaigns that are currently running in our campuses. And through extracurricular activities, along with academic ones, the students, mashallah, have a lot of mentorship sessions happening within their campuses, with their respective heads and with the teachers as well.
Mashallah.
Shanzar, did you have a favorite canteen snack?
Plate of small biryani along with the raita and a small Pepsi bottle that me and my friend Hassan Zia we would used to have daily during the break. और फिर घर जाके जो है ना खाना नहीं खाते थे तो अम्मी को पता चल जाता था कि ये लोग बिरयानी खा के आए हैं. So that was a really memorable stuff.
What kind of student were you? Were you a nerd or were you a naughty one? How would you classify yourself?
So I was honestly a balanced type of student.
Okay.
I knew how to crack jokes and crack the exams as well.
Oh wow!
तो दोनों चीजें जो है ना, I was keeping a balance as well.
Oh, well said, yeah. Well said. Shanzar, what's one thing that you love about your profession and why?
I'll talk about both of my professions. First of all, dentistry. The one thing I love is putting back smile on people's face. When they come with pain and agony they are in, so I like to take them out of it and put them back to the smiling phase they were in.
Mashallah.
And along with that, the physical aspect, the physical strength training aspect of my life helps me actually take people out of depression, the mental and as well as physical depression. These both because I believe that our generation is going through a lot of mental stress. So whenever we exercise, it doesn't matter कि किस तरह की करनी है, but whenever you go for a walk, आपकी body में से endorphins release होते हैं, which is a happy hormone. तो it reduces your stress a lot. तो इसको अगर हम inculcate करें अपनी daily life में, तो I personally believe कि through my training and through my videos, तो लोगों को एक indirect message ज़रूर जाता है, and a lot of people, a lot of my followers, they come back to me and they tell me कि मैंने आपकी videos देखे, inspire होके exercise शुरू की, सारा कुछ किया, and it helped me get out of depression. So that's something I would say कि I love about my profession.
Mashallah, that's a very noble thought process in both the capacities. Literally putting a smile on people's faces and figuratively as well.
Exactly.
Because जैसे आपने जो strength training की बात की and you spoke about people battling anxiety and depression, तो उसके अंदर definitely जब आप उनकी help करते हो तो rather than just helping one person, you're basically helping a lot of people. क्योंकि जैसे ही individuals को realize होता है कि self love is an important component of their daily life, उनके इर्द गिर्द के जितने लोग होते हैं जो उनके साथ interact कर रहे होते हैं, you're actually positively impacting their lives also.
Beshak, of course, 100% I agree with you.
So, mashallah. If you had a message for your former self,
okay,
what would that be?
Don't worry too much about the future.
Okay.
And have fun as much as you can. But along with that, try to focus on learning and acquiring skills that would benefit in your practical life.
No, and rightfully so, because mashallah you've been working progressively in that field, and I hope and pray that inshallah you achieve the targets that you have set for yourself. Acha Shanzar, how do you plan to carry the Boss legacy, and how do you aim to support your alumni community?
Okay, so Boss, Beacon House Old Student Society is working actively to establish connectivity between alumni or जो current students हैं. And I would like to take this forward by conducting workshops on professional development and strength endurance. और उसके अलावा moreover, I would also like to connect with like-minded alumni who are working in the social development sector to work for the greater good for our nation.
Thank you so much, Shanzar, for taking out time and coming to today's session of Honor with Boss. It was an absolute pleasure for us to have you here, and a complete honor.
Thanks a lot for you having me as well, or Boss as well, for making all of this possible.
Beacon House Old Student Society, Boss, building a community together.